We just got a new type of animal on the farm and we got thousands of them. Now that might sound kind of crazy, but the animal that we got are bees. We have never had bees before, so this will be a very interesting journey and I thought I would take you guys along. So the day we got the bees, I was actually not home, so my dad got all of this footage for me. Thanks, Dad. Anyways, him and my brother and the friend that is helping us set all of this up were there. The bees came, we have 2 boxes. The hives were already set up, so they brought the bees over to the hives and put them in. So that night we spent some time outside, looked at the bees a little bit. I hadn't really seen them and I kind of kept my distance because I'm gonna be honest, they're not my favorite animal. This is more my dad and grandpa's thing, but I'm excited to watch. So yeah, that's kind of what I did that night. I just figured out I can do this. Failed. Okay, I'll do it. Show them on the trampoline. Can I best? Because you're like, woo! And then do a round off. Cartwheel? Okay. Yeah, you're right. Okay, it is dark outside now, but I'm going out to do the animals and I thought I would take you guys with me. Sometimes I really enjoy going out at night and sometimes I get absolutely terrified, but it's okay. Okay, well that's all for today. I'll probably see you guys tomorrow. Well, good morning everyone. Right now I am at the horse barn because I have to feed Artie and do a few other things, so let's get started on that. Okay, now I need to go and make his food. Also, just to clarify, this is not my horse. My horse is in the field still. Hi, Rosie. Hi. Hi, Sunny. Come here. No, not you. Silly. Okay, so the other day I actually did end up going to the feed store and I finally got camelina oil for Rosie. I am very excited for this and I'm hoping that this brand works and I get some good results. It says that it improves joint health and maintains joint mobility, helps improve skin and coat health, which is my main idea, supports a healthy weight, and supports a healthy immune system as well. Now, I don't know if all of those things are necessarily true, but we'll see. Rosie's waiting for me now. I'm gonna go say hi. Okay, now I'm gonna stuff some hay bags. The field they're in right now doesn't have much grass left, so we've been needing to do that for this one. You almost done, dude? Almost there. Well, I finished up at the horses, so I'm going to head home now and I will see you guys later. Okay, so I am back at the horse barn and I know this video was about getting bees, but honestly, there's not much to film with them. Literally just got them and now there's not much to do, so I'll definitely show them every once in a while. But yeah, it's not like I can go out and do things with them because I'm kind of terrified of them, and also this week they're just settling in, so we have to give them their space. And so that is why I'm filming this video with other things, but it's still an announcement that we got get a bunch of bees. So yeah, I just wanted to explain that for a second. I'm here at the barn pretty early, and my plan is to organize my horse tack locker because I don't know how it gets so messy so fast, but I just feel like I need to do that because it's really bugging me. Okay, that is everything. Now I'm gonna put it all back in there somehow. Okay, first let's see what's in here. Okay, got a blanket bag, neck piece for the winter blanket, and extra reins. Also, just so you know, I'm not like super into blanketing or anything. I just have these blankets because I collected them, and a few of them I did need for Rosie. Okay, now I'm gonna put camelina oil in Rosie's food. This is the second day I'm doing this. Well, I've taken Miss Rosie out. She's got her fly mask on, and I'm just gonna hand graze her for a little bit and spend time with her. And then we'll see what we end up doing once my neighbor gets here. I wish my hair was this long. Girl. Okay, now let's do some fly spray because she definitely wants that. Well, overall there, I'd say she did really good. Grooming is a really good test of patience, and it's also really good to groom your horse because then you can see what's going on with their body. Checking their legs is always very important because that's where horses tend to hurt themselves, and also checking their hooves and making sure you take care of their hooves properly. We worked with the 3 horses, Sunny and Ducky, which are my neighbor's horses, and then Rosie. We took Sunny out on the trail. She's green broke right now, but she's learning slowly. Then we took Ducky and Rosie out on a trail ride, and I just didn't film because I didn't want to take my camera with because that was kind of risky, and I just wanted to focus more on the horses.
What is that?
You like that? What do you think of Everything went really good. I just didn't film the ride because it was a trail ride and I couldn't really hold my camera. But yeah, we're done here, so I'll see you guys when I get home. Okay, so I haven't filmed for a little bit, but today has been an absolutely beautiful day. It's just been so nice outside, and I feel like I've gotten a lot accomplished, but I am home alone tonight and there are still a lot of things I want to do. So I thought I would take you guys along for that, but first I just wanted to go see the bees because I haven't seen them in a few days. And yeah, so I want to see how active they are. Okay, so I think it's been like 25 degrees all day or something. Super nice. Not as warm as the heat wave we got recently, but yeah, still very beautiful. I spent a lot of time outside today. Okay, the bees are over here, so we'll see. They might be back in their boxes. I don't know if you guys can see that, but they're flying around a little bit. And this is when my camera decided to die. Honestly, I should have expected that. I kind of seen that the battery was low, but I didn't think to put in my battery or my extra battery, so I had no way to film anything. Okay, well yesterday my camera died while I was filming, so I couldn't film anymore because I didn't have any batteries charged, but today I thought I would film again. Honestly, it's been a pretty slow week. There's not been much going on except our usual routines, which definitely keep us busy, but nothing too crazy or out of the ordinary to film. Okay, so reading is the last thing you'll see me doing, but the other day we got the prettiest book ever. It's Little Woman, and I really love this story. I've watched the movie and listened to audiobooks. So I figured I should probably read it because I feel like it's way more motivating to read a pretty book, and also I really like this story. Okay, well I know this video may have been a bit random and all over the place, but I hope you enjoyed it and seeing what little parts of my life look like. We'll see what changes around here since we've gotten our bees now. So yeah, if you would like to see that, make sure you stick around and subscribe so you don't miss anything. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!